Ever wake up tired no matter how long you slept? Need sugar or caffeine just to survive the day? Maybe you crash after meals or feel wiped out by noon. It's not just about sleep, something deeper is going on. Your body's powered by trillions of tiny energy factories called mitochondria. When they're firing on all cylinders, you wake up refreshed, sharp, and ready to roll. But when they stall, no amount of rest fixes it. You're stuck feeling drained, foggy, or crashing hard. I've been there too, and trust me, it's not normal. Today, we'll uncover 6 hidden reasons you're always tired, and simple ways to recharge your mitochondria naturally. Reason 1. High cortisol. First up, cortisol, your stress hormone. It's meant to give you a quick energy jolt, but too much, thanks to constant stress, floods your system with sugar, overworks your mitochondria, and fries your energy reserves. Worse, it trashes your sleep, leaving you wired at night and wrecked by day. Fix it by calming your nervous system. Try deep breathing, sip lemon balm tea, or unwind with relaxation tricks. Lower cortisol, reclaim your energy. Reason 2. Low vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, or the lack of it. Stress and caffeine, think coffee, soda, energy drinks, drain this key nutrient fast. Without B1, your body can't turn food into fuel. You're left yawning, foggy, and weak. Boost it with sunflower seeds, nutritional yeast, or grass-fed beef. Bonus: B1 also tames cortisol, hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. Reason 3. Too much processed food. Third culprit: processed junk. Your mitochondria need real nutrients, B vitamins, minerals, electrons, to churn out ATP, your body's energy currency. But processed foods? They're stripped bare, loaded with inflammation-causing garbage that clogs your energy factories. Ditch them for whole foods, and you'll feel the difference fast. I'll dive deeper into this soon. Reason 4. Insulin resistance. Insulin resistance. Piling on refined carbs, sugars, and bad oils makes your cells reject sugar, leaving it stuck in your blood instead of fueling your mitochondria. Result? Grogginess, brain fog, and energy crashes. Reverse it with a cleaner diet, fasting, and more magnesium-rich foods. It's simpler than it sounds. Reason 5. Low coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10. This powerhouse helps mitochondria crank out ATP, but levels drop with age or meds like statins. Without it, your cells starve for energy, and you feel the slump. Top it up with organ meats, liver, heart, fatty fish, or a ubiquinol supplement. It's a game changer. Reason 6. Sluggish liver. Your liver. It's your energy gatekeeper, releasing stored fuel into your bloodstream. But if it's bogged down by fatty buildup, junk food, alcohol, or toxins, especially if you've got belly fat, it can't keep up. You're left with fatigue, fog, and a sluggish metabolism. Other sneaky triggers? Sleep apnea cutting oxygen, low blood pressure starving your muscles, dehydration thickening your blood, or low potassium and magnesium messing with your nerves. How to recharge naturally. Now bring your energy back. Cut the caffeine. Stick to 1 coffee a day. More spikes cortisol and crashes you later. After a few weeks, you'll sleep better and feel steadier. Sip lemon balm tea. An hour before bed, this adaptogenic gem lowers stress, balances cortisol, and restores deep sleep. Boost B vitamins. Add 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast to meals, soups, salads, yogurt, or snack on sunflower seeds, pork, or salmon. B1 sparks your mitochondria into action. Eat real food. Swap packaged junk, flour, sugar, starch, for whole foods rich in electrons, fresh meat, oily fish, low-carb veggies, berries, eggs, nuts, kefir. Plants like onions, quercetin, berries, resveratrol, turmeric, curcumin, and broccoli sprouts, sulforaphane, protect and multiply your mitochondria. Fix your meals. Drop snacks and stick to 2 solid, nutrient-dense meals a day. It steadies blood sugar and boosts insulin sensitivity, fueling your cells right. Hydrate smart. Drink 1.5 liters of carbonated mineral water daily. CoQ10 boosts oxygen flow to your mitochondria, the Bohr effect. Add a pinch of Celtic sea salt for electrolytes. Move daily. A 20-minute morning walk trains your mitochondria to pump out more ATP. Sunlight and air also cut stress and lift vitamin D. Raise CoQ10. Load up on liver, heart, sardines, or salmon, and cook with extra virgin olive oil. Its polyphenols recycle CoQ10. Pasture-raised eggs help too. Support your liver. Sip lemon water and eat sulfur-rich veggies, garlic, onions, broccoli, to detox and rev up energy flow. Supplements to power up. Magnesium glycinate. 2 capsules morning and night. Eases stress, boosts sleep, and fuels ATP. Sleep formula. Try tart cherry and tryptophan blends, like Performance Lab Sleep, before bed for deeper rest. Electrolytes. Powders with potassium, sodium, and magnesium keep your mitochondria humming. Digestive enzymes. Blends with ox bile and betaine. HCl help absorb nutrients for energy if digestion's off. Morning kick. Start with water and a pinch of sea salt for an instant boost. You don't have to live tired. These fixes, simple, natural, and science-backed, can recharge your mitochondria and your life. For more, check the video on screen now. Thanks for watching. Here's to your health, wealth, and happiness.